Hello, my name's Chris, and in this video, we'll be examining all the benefits of using Marvel.com's Kitchen Visualizer. The Kitchen Visualizer is a digital tool that renders the different 3D components to mix and match your kitchen finishes by having to know exactly which of your items you want to perfectly coordinate with your concepts. The variety you have to think about includes the countertop, cabinets, the backsplashes, the walls, and even the flooring. Whether these combinations are what you have in mind, to visualize these items in the right setting will only be limited to your imagination. By using the Kitchen Visualizer, you can move your mouse along the screen, point and click the area you want to change, and select the various options that the room has to offer. There are online inventories we have at your disposal so that you can design the dream kitchen without even having to regret your decisions. Homeowners that are unsure of choosing the right color combinations are given the ability to confirm which aesthetic coincides with their interest. If you want to use the designs as a point of reference, simply create an account through Marvel.com and save your favorite kitchen designs. You can go back to any of your previous designs whenever you feel like it. You can make any and all changes to these saved arrangements and find the kitchen that you've always dreamed of.